Did you know that multiple names, addresses, and phone numbers can affect your credit score? Now, you might be scratching your head, wondering what a credit score is. Well, it's a three-digit number that lenders use to evaluate your credit worthiness. It's like your financial reputation, and it matters a lot, especially if you're seeking a loan. Now let's talk about how your personal details come into play. Imagine going to a job interview with 5 different resumes, each with a different name, address, and phone number. That would look suspicious, wouldn't it? Similarly, having multiple personal details on your credit report can make you appear unreliable to lenders, potentially harming your credit score and approval chances. This is just the tip of the iceberg. The impact of multiple personal details on your credit report is a vast and complex topic. So you might be wondering, how exactly do multiple names, addresses, and phone numbers affect my credit score? Let's dive deeper. When it comes to your credit report, accuracy is key. Let's talk about names. You might be wondering, what's in a name? Well, when it comes to credit reports, quite a lot. Imagine you're a lender. You've just received an application from someone who has multiple names listed on their credit report. It's confusing, isn't it? This inaccuracy can make it difficult for lenders to verify your identity, making you appear as a higher risk. High risk equals less likely to get approved for loans or credit. Perhaps you've gotten married and changed your name, or you sometimes use your middle name instead of your first. Whatever the case, it's crucial to have the same name on all consumer reporting agencies. This way, you avoid creating multiple credit profiles that could potentially lower your credit score. To maintain a healthy credit score, it's essential to keep your personal information accurate, and that includes your name. Just like your name, having multiple addresses on your credit report can also cause problems. Now, you might be wondering, why would multiple addresses affect my credit score? Well, it's all about accuracy. Lenders, in their quest to determine your creditworthiness, prefer to see an accurate residential history. It gives them confidence that you are settled and less likely to default on payments. Let's say you've moved around a lot, for work or personal reasons. This could be reflected as multiple addresses on your credit report. From a lender's perspective, this might raise a red flag, as it could suggest a level of instability or inaccuracy. Remember, lenders are risk-averse. They prefer certainty over uncertainty. So what can you do? Try to keep your residential information as accurate as possible. If you move, ensure your creditors and the consumer reporting agencies are promptly informed to avoid any discrepancies. An accurate residential history can go a long way in maintaining a good credit profile. And lastly, let's talk about how having multiple phone numbers on your credit report can affect your credit profile. You might think that changing your contact number frequently is harmless, but it could be detrimental to your credit report. When lenders see several different phone numbers linked to your name, it can create a sense of confusion and uncertainty. It may even make them question your dependability and reliability, 2 key factors that greatly influence your creditworthiness. Think about it from their perspective. Would you trust a person who has multiple contact details? Probably not. The same principle applies here. Your phone number is your identifier, your anchor in the sea of credit information. It's essential to keep it accurate across all consumer reporting agencies. Remember, accuracy is key, and the most important issue when it comes to your personal information and your credit profile. Keep your phone number accurate and you'll be one step closer to that perfect credit score you're aiming for. Now that you understand the impact of multiple names, addresses, and phone numbers on your credit report, let's talk about what you can do to avoid these issues. It's all about accuracy. Keeping your personal data in check is like maintaining a clean, well-organized home. It's easier for visitors to navigate and it leaves a lasting impression. Regularly reviewing your credit report is like doing a routine home inspection. It allows you to spot any inaccuracies and correct them before they become major issues. If you notice a name you never went by, an address you never lived at or you have moved from, or a phone number you never owned or don't own anymore, it's imperative to contact the credit reporting agencies and have these corrected. If you need help, simply go to our description and contact Dwayne at DMSNC via phone, text, or email for your free credit repair services. And if you want to know more, go to our YouTube channel on credit repair or our website.